and welcome to another video of Light Talks. In this video, I'm going to show you a demo of the high-speed performance of this particular exhaust. Secondly, there were a lot of queries on the legality aspects of this particular silencer. I had gone through the website of Barrel Exhaust and they do not clearly say whether using this silencer is legal or not. But by all means, this is a loud silencer and there are possibilities that cops can charge you for this. Thirdly, these days because of lockdown, my travel is basically confined to the locality and within the neighborhood itself, and so I was just planning to change the exhaust back to the old exhaust so that the sound is not too much and it does not disturb the neighbors too much. In this video, I will be showing you the silencer changing process also. So stay tuned, keep watching. Please do subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much. This was actually a bush that they use for securing this particular silencer, barrel exhaust. Now let us just listen to this sound without a silencer. Too loud. Here I am completely using the toolkit that came with the vehicle, nothing else. So these two brackets to be fixed like this. This should completely get into the groove like this. Yeah, now it's in focus. Just hold and keep the screwdriver here so that it doesn't slip off the groove. Actually much easier to use a ring spanner, not this one, the other one. Double-edged ring spanner is there, no? With the small spanner, it's actually not accessible. So if you have a double-edged spanner, ring spanner, it will be much more convenient. Now we'll tighten this. and finally the heat guard. Yeah, and you have the true mark of using a bullet. You have to get your hands and all dirty, see. Yeah, and finally back to the old look and the old exhaust. Now let us just try switching on the vehicle. Now let's take the vehicle out for a small drive. So finally, here's my take on the barrel exhaust versus the original one. There is no doubt that barrel exhaust is a better sounding one with heavy thump, good beats and all those things. It's a separate feeling driving with the barrel exhaust. But having said that, look wise I think I like the stock exhaust better. Plus after a long period of driving barrel exhaust and now with this one, I feel that the engine smoothness has improved a lot after fitting this one, and engine smoothness is definitely better with the stock exhaust. Plus I've not got a chance to check the mileage per se, because after changing it, soon the lockdown period started and then I was not able to drive much. But then high speed I have checked, barrel exhaust was much better. I was able to, and the vibration during high speed also was much lesser with the barrel exhaust versus this one. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.